how do you make thousands of high-stake decisions a day, consistently, accurately, and without slowing down your customers? At Pleo, we're always looking for ways to make spending smarter, safer, and more seamless for our 40K business customers all across Europe. To achieve this, we need the best people and an end-to-end decision platform that empowers them to stay several steps ahead of the bad guys without relying on manual, fragmented workflows. As our transaction volume grew, we realized our fin-crime operations need to evolve accordingly, much faster also than emerging threats that we face. But manual processes and legacy systems were holding us back and making it difficult to maintain the seamless customer experience that we strive for.
Today, we are improving how we stay ahead of people trying to abuse the financial system. When we perform our fraud monitoring investigations, we need the full context on the customer and not only on the transaction. So as you can imagine, efficiency-wise, if we need to switch in between different tabs or different tools, it will take more time for us to complete our investigation. So having everything concentrated in the same tool is key for us. Now, we are moving to an entity-based review. This means that now the activity is grouped by card and company, and we can see all the history and context in one place.
Meaning we can design our own scenarios based on our risk appetite, based on the product and fin-crime risks that we have in the business, versus before we were not really able to design and test these type of scenarios in our legacy systems.
I think that one of the main differences between Taktile and our legacy fraud monitoring tool is actually scaling, because if I think as a fraud operations lead, and if tomorrow, for example, I have a new joiner coming, today we can use Taktile and specifically the case manager to set tasks and create checklists for the analyst to follow while completing the investigation.
Now with Taktile, compared to before, we're enabled to have insights and foresight into what's coming. We're not just reacting to threats, we're proactively preventing them and have cut the time it takes to design, test, and deploy a new scenario, a policy change, which means better protection, smoother transactions, and more confidence for every business that uses Pleo.